Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Wireless Mi RØDE, great audio every time. Well, it's time to upgrade my audio system. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Find out the audio performance. So many accessories. We have the manual, black stealth stickers. Whoa, I like that. I like stickers. Another two furry windshields for recording outdoors and in windy conditions. Flexible cable, 3.5mm TRS patch cable. The name is SC2. Another one, flexible. This one on a grey and black color. SC7 3.5mm TRS to TRRS patch cable. Another cable, USB-C to lighting cable, 30cm the length, SC21. Another cable, 30cm, USB-C to C cable, SC22. Connect your wireless Mi directly to a camera with its analog 3.5mm output or plug it in into your iPhone or Android smartphone via USB. So easy. Comes with magnetic clip, soft elements here. Wireless go-to single carry pouch. I like it. Very soft. And of course the most important, wireless Mi. Remove the film, the receiver and the transmitter. I like it, it's quite heavy. I like that. We can see here the icon, connect that at your camera and this on you. I like the glossy elements at the front. Nice. So let's see the receiver. We have the power button here, soft elements, the battery indicator LED, connectivity indicator LED, the inbuilt microphone, USB-C and 3.5mm TRS output. Both they have built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery with a battery life up to 7 hours. Charge it via USB 5V. The transmitter, same in here we have the battery indicator and the connectivity indicator. The built-in microphone, 3.5mm TRS microphone input, Type-C port and the power button. Nice! So included at the box not only for connecting a Type-C to Type-C smartphone, but you can use this cable to charge both units. I will use my cable, Type-C, for the receiver and the transmitter. Both are charging. Let's wait until they will fully charge and start the setup and the audio test. Both are fully charged, solid green, unplug. You can use the storage for the transmitter and one of the Fury. It is a single storage and some of the cables. I think both are fitting very well, but I'm afraid maybe we will scratch one of these devices. Both they have built-in microphones, transmitter and receiver, allowing you to capture audio from in front of and behind the camera. Ideal for recording everything from two-way interviews to voice-overs for video content. Included we have this magnetic clip. You can install here at the back and it locks, and you can use that with your clothes, the magnet, and place it at any position wherever you want. Or if you want, you can use the clip. Nice. And to install the Fury, it has these two white dots alignment here. Press, rotate, and it locks. So easy. It doesn't go anywhere. I will test the audio with and without the Fury, indoors and outdoors of course. Rotate to remove. So easy. I just love it. Most of the time I will use these microphones with my camera. So let's install the receiver at my camera and the transmitter on me. And here we have the PowerWise microphone. It's great because it produces clear sound. I didn't have any issues with it. I'm replacing it with the RØDE microphone because when I make videos, I often move away from the camera, which causes the sound to fade. With the RØDE microphone, I will have it close to me. I need to install the receiver on my camera. Then I will use the 3.5mm TRS patch cable to connect the camera and the receiver. Turn on the receiver and transmitter by pressing the on-off switch for 2 seconds. The battery and connectivity indicators are solid and the connection is complete. The connectivity indicator on the receiver is orange. And connected both devices. We have some settings: RØDE Central, enable or disable the Mi mic, select how to route the audio from your transmitters. Split, each transmitter gets recorded into a separate channel. Merged, source from both transmitters are combined into a single summit. Disable for now, I don't use that. Gain Assist, allow you to apply intelligent gain assist to your headset microphone for perfectly balanced levels. You can choose auto, balances audio while maintaining dynamics. Dynamic for a smoother, more consistent sound. Adjust the fixed gain of your microphone. Honestly, after testing that, I didn't find any differences. But the differences that I find, it is on the output gain mode. Select an overall output gain level. Low, medium and high. At the low it is very low, medium it is perfect for me, and the high I don't recommend it. Then we have the transmitters, connected, TX1, you can connect, and TX2. Some informations. Same settings you can adjust and from the app, RØDE Central app. Device, LEDs, adjust the brightness of your device LEDs, dim or bright. Dim, why not? You can run diagnostics. Device rename. And factory reset. Firmware version, you are up to date. If you have any firmware updates, it will send you a notification. Audio, already as am I talking, you can hear my voice from the RØDE microphone. Here we can see the wireless Mi RX, fully charged, is connected with a USB, and the wireless Mi TX. Audio, and again here you can choose off, dynamic or auto. It is the device that I am talking right now. And device, again you can choose LEDs, bright or dim. Rename the device, and the firmware is up to date. So let's start the test with the low. The Wireless ME is an ultra-compact wireless microphone system that effortlessly records professional quality audio for your videos. With the same iconic pocket-sized form factor as the original Wireless Go and Wireless Go 2, innovative features like Jane Assist, and a high-quality microphone built into the both transmitter and receiver, the Wireless ME is completely compatible with cameras, computers and smartphones. It's the perfect wireless companion for content creation, interviews, reports, presentations, filmmaking and more. And of course you can connect it with your Android smartphone. Turn on both again. Type-C to Type-C cable from the receiver. Remote control, there it is. Connected. We can see the battery percentage, the same as the desktop software. Wireless MRX, audio, enable disable the ME mic, choose Jane Assist, auto, dynamic or off, and channel routing when it's on the ME mic. Output Jane mode, low, medium and high. I have tested all these three modes and I didn't see any differences. You will see later at the audio test. Transmitters, device, bright, we can see the LEDs, dim, lower. Wireless ME-TX, we can see the battery percentage, audio, again you can choose, off, and the device. Exactly the same settings as the Windows software. And of course you can use it with a tripod, very easy. Mount the camera here and use the magnetic clip. Install that at the back. There it is. So easy. It doesn't go anywhere. The magnet, it is very strong. You can use the magnet at the receiver or transmitter. It is your choice, no worries. Harness the freedom of wireless. The Wireless ME uses RØDE's advanced series 2.4 GHz digital transmission technology with 128-bit encryption to provide stable wireless audio at a range of over 100 meters. Simply connect the receiver to your camera, smartphone or computer, attach the transmitter to your shelf or talent, and hit record to capture pristine, hands-free audio for your content, no wires required. And of course you can use the microphones and for the iPhone. Type-C to lighting, first the Type-C. And you can have the magnetic clip at the back of the iPhone, very easy, doesn't go anywhere, very strong magnet. And you can open the remote control, they're disconnected both. We can see the battery percentage again for both devices, ME mic on or off, and you can adjust the channel routing. Jane Assist, same settings on Android, PC software. Output Jane, low, medium, high. Unfortunately, I have tested this microphone with the iPhone and the quality was very low. I don't know why. I have adjusted all the settings, the Jane Assist or the output Jane mode. Same results, the quality was very low. Enjoy! Connect the Wireless ME directly to a camera via its analog 3.5mm output or plug it into an iPhone. The wireless ME features broadcast grade, omnidirectional microphones that capture high quality sound for your videos. It also features our groundbreaking Jane Assist technology, which makes capturing crystal clear audio easier than ever. This technology uses intelligent algorithms in wireless ME's audio processor to automatically control your audio levels, ensuring they are perfectly balanced and preventing clipping. Honestly, for its size, simplicity and the quality it delivers, the wireless microphone has really impressed me. Whether you are a vlogger, an interviewer, a filmmaker on the go, or someone just looking to upgrade their audio without the hassle, this system offers a fantastic solution. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the RØDE wireless microphone. I hope this video gave you a clear understanding of what this little powerhouse can do and whether it's the right fit for your content creation needs. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you used the RØDE wireless ME? What are your thoughts on its performance? Are there any other compact wireless mic systems you'd like to see us review in the future? Let me know all your questions and comments down below in the comment section. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, please give it a big thumbs up, it really helps the channel out. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching everyone, stay creative, keep capturing amazing audio, and I'll catch you in the next one.